Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your device and carrier support RCS so you know what to expect. Once confirmed, unlock the phone and optionally back up your conversations to avoid losing important threads. Now open your default Messages app, navigate directly to Settings, and select Chat Features. This takes you straight into the RCS controls. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or cellular data so the feature status loads. If the menu doesn't appear, toggle app permissions and try again before proceeding. You now switch off RCS by locating the chat features toggle and setting it to off. This is the direct disable. If the toggle is grayed out or reactivates, sign out of your Messages account or clear the app data in Settings, then reset network settings to remove carrier registration. Once those deeper actions are done, force close the Messages app and restart it so the change takes effect. Make sure new texts are sent as SMS/MMS, which confirms RCS is disabled. Finish by sending a test message to verify it goes as SMS or MMS. This proves RCS is off. If your phone still tries chat features, reinstall the Messages app and repeat the disable process, or contact your carrier to remove RCS registration on their end. Make sure to reboot the device after reinstalls or carrier changes. One useful troubleshooting tip: clear chat settings and cache, then reboot to force deregistration. If problems continue, carrier intervention usually resolves persistent reactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.